Hi guys, this is also with Nerd and welcome back to another video. This week I'll be talking about DNA, nucleotides, amino acids and genes. And no, not the type of jeans that you wear. First of all, we need to know what DNA is. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is a self-replicating material which is present in nearly all living organisms. DNA is also the carrier of most of the genetic instructions used in growth, development, functioning, and reproduction of all known living organisms. DNA is present in the nucleus of every cell in your body. So the string-like double helix is DNA. If we look closer at the DNA, we can see strands that are connecting the two spirals together. These are nucleotides. Nucleotides are molecules that serve as the monomers of subunits of nucleic acids like DNA and RNA. A building block of nucleic acids, nucleotides, are composed of 5 carbon sugar ribose or deoxyribose, and at least one phosphate group. In each strand, there are 2 nucleotides. The whole strand can be any combination of A, C, G, and T. These nucleotides sometimes are referred to as amino acids. Amino acids are simple organic compounds containing both carboxyl and an amino group. Each of these combinations is part of a gene. A gene is a distinct sequence of nucleotides forming part of a chromosome, the order of which determines the order of monomers in a polypeptide or nucleic acid molecule which a cell or virus may synthesize. So basically, a gene is a special stretch of DNA that codes for something. A gene contains information for a cell to read and synthesize. But what exactly does that information do? You might have heard that there are genes for blue eyes, skin color, or even anger. But single genes can't literally make things like eyeballs, melanin, pigments, or temper tantrums. Genes make proteins. Those proteins then work together with other proteins and all sorts of chemicals in the body to make things like eye pigments, melanin, and mood-affecting hormones. For example, collagen strengthens our bones, cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and skin. It makes up about a quarter of the body's total protein. Ospins in the eye detect light. They convert light into electrical and chemical signals that can be interpreted by the brain. Hemoglobin is the protein that takes oxygen when it is near the lungs and releases it when it's near oxygen-starved tissue. It's time for this video's extra facts! Did you know that each one of your cells has 46 strands of DNA? Humans have roughly 20,000 genes altogether. What do you think a lowly fruit fly has to do with you and me? Surprisingly, we share half of its genes. Wait a minute, why am I in the bathtub? Some genes are small, only about 300 letters long. Others are well over 1 million. As always, if you want me to do a video on something, just leave it in the comments and I will do them ASAP. This is an Awesome With Nerd and thank you for watching.